Welcome to this Arduino Traffic Light project. This is the Arduino Uno. Here we have the digital pins numbered from 0 to 13. Pins 0 and 1 are the R, X, and TX pins, used for serial communication, so we'll avoid using them. On this side, we have the analog pins, A0 to A5 for sensors, along with the power pins, including 5 volts, 3.3 volts, ground, and VIN. Next is the breadboard. The side rails are for power and ground, while the center rows are used to connect components. Now connect the red wire to pin 5, the yellow wire to pin 6, and the green wire to pin 7. Connect each LED to its corresponding wire through a resistor, and connect all LED negative legs to the breadboard's negative rail. Connect Arduino ground to the breadboard's negative rail. Upload the code shown on screen, and your Arduino traffic light is ready to run.